Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your camera problem not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So in this case you must ensure your camera plug. Just enable and disable your camera plug again, or try different type of ports and see if it's work for you or not. If it's still that issue, then follow the steps I'm showing you right now. Then go here and write privacy settings, go privacy settings, and then you'll find here camera, this one. Make sure your camera access is turned on. Okay, and if you scroll down and make sure your camera is turned on for that specific application, like turn on your camera for desktop viewer or Microsoft Store or any Skype. If camera device is off for Skype, then it will not work in Skype. If you click on, then it will be on. After confirm these things, then just minimize or cross this thing, and the third step you should go apps. So click on here apps and features, and make sure your camera is here. Okay, click on your camera and go advanced options. In advanced options you'll find here reset, this one. Click on reset. After reset it will you will see a tick sign. Hold on. Okay, you can see the tick sign. That's mean it has been resetted. So now if it's still issue and if you find that problem again, then I'm showing you the fourth step. What to do is going here device manager, click on device manager, and now you can find here camera options, this one. Double click and you'll find here this HP camera. Right click on this and click on update driver. Okay, you can see that driver is already updated. Now check back if it's work for you or not. If not, then just click on here and just uninstall your device. Click on uninstall. Here camera has been vanished. Now all you have to do is go here action, right action click. Now choose scan for hardware changes, and then your camera should be back here again. Okay, now check back. It may work for you, but still if it's not working for you, then what to do? Cross it and go here, download HP camera for Windows 10 or 11. So I'm using HP computer, but if you use Dell or Asus, then you must write here Dell or Asus. Then go to that official web page and you have to download from here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.